Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2024 video tutorial. It's another one of the basic exercises, a flywheel. And I've made a drawing, so let's take a look at the drawing. Here it is, and you could make, of course, a screenshot and then follow this exercise step by step if you want. So, let's have fun with Inventor. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the XY plane. I need a circle. Diameter should be 230. Then I need some construction lines. Maybe like that. And two standard lines as well. And those two should be not for construction. Let's trim. Make them parallel. And add a horizontal constraint for those two endpoints. Now add a dimension, and that dimension should be 19. And of course, this point and that point should be aligned vertical. Now that angle should be 80 degrees. Trim that, finish that sketch, and let's make a symmetric extrude. Symmetric, and make it 40 millimeter. Now I want to go for a shell. Thickness should be 50 millimeter to the inside. I would want to remove those two faces. And confirm. Next sketch, again on the XY plane. Another circle. Diameter 40 millimeter. Finish that sketch. Make an extrude. Make it symmetric. Make it 60. Another sketch on the XY plane. Cut the graphics, make a rectangle. Make it 10 wide. And align. First make this distance here 105. Then align that midpoint with the origin. Finish that sketch. Make another extrude. Make it symmetric. Make it 40. Let's go for the fillets. 10 millimeter. On this edge, that one, this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, and of course don't miss those two at the top here. Plus, now I need a fillet with 25 millimeter on this edge and that edge. And confirm. Now I want to reuse the first sketch, so share it or make it visible. Make another extrude, make it again symmetric, make it 20 millimeter. And hide that first sketch. Now I want to correct those two corners here, and therefore I just move my extrusion before fillet 2. Looks pretty good. Let's make another sketch on the XY plane. and it's really hard to see even if we cut the graphics. Therefore I will draw it over here. So I need a circle, a construction circle, and diameter should be 25. Then I need 2 construction lines, maybe like that here. Let's trim and make those 2 endpoints vertical aligned, which gives me symmetry. The angle should be 25. Now I need 2 circles, one at this endpoint here, diameter 5, and another one here, diameter 5 as well. So what I'm missing, because this should be fully defined, it isn't. Nothing to move. Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, I have to put it on the projected origin. Okay. Now let's go for another circle which should be tangent here. And another one which should be tangent up there. Now let's trim. Yes, I have to remove 1 diameter, maybe this one. So let's go for trim. Let's see. And I've lost tangency. So let's add tangency here and there. Maybe here as well? No, that's not necessary. Okay, and now I want to put this here in the center. So let's put this point onto the projected origin. Finish that sketch. Let's make an extrude. Make it symmetric. Make it 60 at least. But I want to cut and confirm. Now I want to pattern that extrusion with a circular pattern. The axis would be the Z axis, I suppose. 6 instances, 360 degrees, and confirm. Nice. Next I want to copy that sketch here, this one. So right click copy and put it onto the same plane, that would be the XY plane. Paste. Now I want to edit it and cut the graphics, but that's really hard to see. So the angle should be 30 degrees and that diameter here should be 140. Next I want to change that diameter to 20 and I want to add another circle here, diameter 20. Okay, this should be aligned, yeah, and that should be tangent to this one. Let's go for 2 more circles, diameter 10. And another one, diameter 10. Align them like this, so this should be tangent here, and this should be tangent to that arc. Same procedure over here, like that. Now I can trim. So this should be removed, this should be removed. Those two, this here, this one, that one. Then zoom in. This should be trimmed. Same on the other side. Okay, and you have to add a dimension from here to that center point, which should be 50, and confirm. So what did I lose? I think again the tangency, maybe here. No. So let's drag it a little bit. Okay. So it lost somehow the center point here, I suppose. Let's see. So this one here should be, no. Let's check it out. No, that's not the problem. Maybe there is tangency here. No? Oh, that's hard to tell. Maybe I have to add the dimension here, which should be 20. If it's a diameter, no, it's a radius, it's really hard to see 10, and it's fully constrained. Finish that sketch. Let's make another extrude. Make it at least 420. Should be symmetric, and I want to cut it and confirm. Now I want to pattern that feature here. There you go, circular. Axis would be the Z axis, I suppose. Yes, and I want only 2. And I want to go for incremental, and this should be 54 degrees, and confirm. Next I want to mirror those two, so I want to mirror this one and that one. Mirror, and the mirror plane would be the YZ plane. And I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. And you could follow me also on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.